LCM. I thought that exercise, and I turned the textbook and I kept that ready. It's okay. This we will see. Since we don't have period, why to simply borrow? So today itself we will go through. Okay, are you ready? Because I informed already, no? I hope you will be ready. We don't have period tomorrow. So it's better today itself we will have the revision. Just one chapter only, no? So what is that? The full third chapter, right? Playing with numbers, multiples and factors. So about multiples and factors, for listing the multiples, you have to say table. Factors also the same thing. Which numbers are getting divisible? That is what is about the factors. Okay, the factors we have to divide and show. I have shown in the material also like that. Right. For example, factors of 12 means 12 divides 1. In one table, whether it comes 12 divides 1 equal to 12, 12 divides 2, 12 divides 3, 12 divides 4, and so on. So the middle numbers are the factors. Multiples very, very easy. Multiples of 5, 1 5 is 5, 2 5 is 3 5 is 4 5 is 15, 4 5 is 20, 5 5 is 25, and keeps on going. What we have to just say tables and list out the multiples. Even number, odd numbers, you know. Prime numbers, very, very important. You have to know the prime numbers. About co-prime and twin prime. Twin primes, they differ by 2. Two prime numbers, they differ by 2. For example, 3, 5, 5, 7. 3 and 5, the difference 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 and 7, 7 minus 5 is 2. So if two prime numbers, the difference is 2 to 2, they are twin prime. What is co-prime? Co-prime can be any number which will have only the common factor as 1. 1 only will be the common factor. Example 2 and 3, which will not come. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime. Yes, it will not come in any other table other than the 1. 17, 19, somebody typed, that is also correct only. So those numbers and all there, twin primes and this prime. These and all fill in the blanks also, you must be thorough. Smallest prime number, I can ask anything from the textbook. Smallest prime number, smallest composite number, 2-digit prime number, largest prime number, even number, odd numbers, everything. Properly must write without referring anywhere. If you refer somewhere, I will find out. Next, test of divisibility. Test of divisibility by 2 says the unit place is even means yes, otherwise no. Test of divisibility by 3 says we have to add the numbers, the sum of the digits. For example, number 336. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. We have to see by adding the digits. If the addition of digits comes in 3 table, yes. Otherwise, no. Okay, yes. Last digit is even for 2. Test of divisibility by 2 says last digit even. This is test of divisibility by 3 says adding the digits. The sum of the digits goes in 3 table, yes. Otherwise, no. Don't do a tick like this. You have to write in words. Yes, it is divisible by 3. Sum of the digits is equal to how I gave in material like that. Steps. Go through the material. What and all the steps I gave, follow the same thing. Here I am explaining. In short, I am just recap I am doing. So don't do like this. Write properly the steps if you really want full marks. 2 marks question means full steps I want. 3 means still more. So same thing when you add the digits and the sum of the digits, when it comes in 9 table, if it is divisible totally, means the remainder will be 0. If it is divisible totally, yes, it is divisible. Otherwise, no. For 3 and 9, the same thing. The sum of the digits to see. For test of divisibility by 4, where is the duster? For test of divisibility by 4, the last 2 digits we must see. The last 2 digits, 24, something like this. If it is divisible, by 4. The number, let it be 824. The last two digits, if it is divisible by 4, yes. Otherwise, no. If same thing for 8, we have to see the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits, if it is divisible by 8, yes. Otherwise, no. This is 2 digits, this is 3 digits. This is the test of divisibility by 4 and 8. Test of divisibility by 5 says the number must end in a 0 or 5. Either these two numbers, it must end. For example, I can give like this. If it is ending digit to C, ending digit, units place digit is 0 or 5, yes, it is divisible by 5. Otherwise, no. For test of divisibility by 10 says the last number must be 0 only. Only 0. If it is only 0, yes. Otherwise, no. In this case, it is yes. So this is test of divisibility by 5 and 10. 4 and 8, 3 and 9, 2 told. And test of divisibility by 11. This is the last thing. And 6. For test of divisibility by 6, 6 is like a mother. The children are 2 and 3. These are the children. If both the children say yes, the mother will say yes. If one of the child says no, the mother will say no. So test of divisibility by 2 yes, 3 yes means mother will agree. Okay, yes. 1 is wrong means 1 is not going. 1 is not divisible means it won't be divisible. That is test of divisibility by test time 4 to 6. Yes. 2 hours will write for 25 marks. 1 hour only, boy. Before 6 you must upload. At least by 6 at least. Don't do night 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon. I won't correct the paper if you are sending the next day. Which day cycle test? I mean if you are writing Friday I must receive the paper. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, any day, whichever day you feel convenient, if you are sending, I won't do correction at all. Because how can we believe? After I discuss the answers, you are sending sometime. After we discuss everything, papers will come to me. How to do correction? What is the meaning? No? So which day? That day send. Friday cycle test. Friday within 1 or 2 hours. 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Before that, I must get the paper. Know one thing nicely, properly, that I am getting the date and time. The teachers, ma'am, principal ma'am, everybody can view at which time you are sending, what's the date, which date you are sending. Easily we can see. And the next day, Saturday, Sunday, and I'll keep the paper with you and I won't do correction. So test of divisibility by 6, yes. Test of divisibility by 11, what it says, for example, a number something is like this. So test of divisibility by 11 says sum of the numbers in the odd places. Odd place, first chair, third chair, fifth chair. I told this and all. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Then even chair, 5 plus 0, 5. Then the difference between both. Okay, this is simply, I took one example. Odd numbers positions, even number positions, difference of those numbers. We have to see the difference is coming in 11 table. First itself 11 ones are 11. So any number less than 11 means not divisible only. Okay, 11, 22, 33, 44 and all, yes. 0, if it is even, it comes 0 divided by 11, 0 only. Yes. So otherwise it is no. This is test of divisibility by 11. These all will come. Then what will come? Yes, statement. Statement I will give. You have to write the thing. And board mass rule. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Properly how to solve stepwise. You must only know that. Understood clearly, these and all there. Very, very simple. Now start writing and show me using your videos. Write the first 5 multiples of number 15. Start writing. Understand the question and do. Full itself will. I thought of writing NO dot. Full itself will write. Express the number 25 as a sum of 3. Sum of 3 or prime. Okay. Complete these 2 questions and keep your video on. Write the first 5 multiples of number 15. Express the number 25 as a sum of 3 odd prime numbers. You can select any 3 odd prime numbers, and while adding that 3 numbers, you must get the number. Quickly, those who will show only will see. 30 minutes will take, and after that will show, no use. Quick. After doing both the questions in your notebook, you keep your video on and show both the answers together. I will write here itself the answer. Okay, it's visible, no? Otherwise, for this question, I will write here. Okay, in this box, I will write. For this question, in this box, I will write. So that I don't have webcam. If you don't have camera, what I can do for that? You must have the thing. Then only we can check it easily. Who is simply keeping your video on? One question, 15 table. Go and thoroughly, nicely revise the max. Dono means what I can do. Casilda, very good Casilda, super. Second question. Little bit move. Yes, 19 plus 5 plus 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is not a prime number. Casilda. Murli Anand. Nicely, Shopa. Okay. Multiples, if you write only the numbers, I will not give. You have to write as multiples. Murli Anand. Simply, if you write numbers alone, that won't serve the purpose of 2 marks. I want you to write 1 5s. What are multiples are 15? Sorry. 1 15s 15. 2 15s. What to do and all I will not say. This is revision test. I told you already. Go through that. I will be giving questions I told already. Who is showing? Kanishka. Casilda already I have checked, yes. So 14, 19, 20, 21, 22. 19 plus 3 plus 3. How can you use 3 two times? I want some other number. Same 3 you are using 2 times, no? That is considered like one 3 only. Use some other number. Think and use, okay? Shweta, show properly. From that time, purple color background only seen. Kanishka, not showing the notebook properly. You are rotating simply. Annie Joyce, very good. Show like Annie how she is showing. See how she is showing. Rounding, what? I will rotate my head, what? Like a robo. Jivisha. Yes. Srinidhi. Striking. Sri Kulali. Striking. Jivisha, I couldn't see the second sum. Srinidhi, second sum. 7, 5. Then what? 13. Super. Correct. Jotam, 13, 3, 5 is 7. Okay, ma. First sum I couldn't see for Jotam. Anushri, yes, multiples, okay. Second question, Anushri. Siddiq, Lutfi Ahmad. 5, you cannot write 2 times, Siddiq. Siddiq, Lutfi Ahmad. 5, you cannot write 2 times. Not allowed. Laranya Shri. Okay. 13, 17, 3. Prime numbers, you check from the board, Laranya. Okay. First sum is correct. Second sum, you check from the board ones properly. I couldn't see properly for that reason. Okay. Yashwant. Turning, this side, that side. Then I'll move my mobile phone, we'll see. Rajaraksha, yes. Tamika, Siddiq Lutfi, Yashwant, Kanishka, Shweta. Okay. Jivisha, Muralianan, yes. Then who is waiting? Pradeep, Anushri, Sri Kuradi, Ritula. Where is Ritula's notebook? Yuvan Shankar, Divya Varshini, Divya Varshini, Tanisha, Advika, Aniksha, Fayuna, Santosh Kumar. Correct or not? You check from the board now, Jivisha. Kavinsha, Kavya, Jason, Philip, Sahana, Shrutika. What? Sleeping what? I want answers from everybody. Otherwise, I will call out the name and we will ask you. Yes. Annie Joyce, Anashri, Srinidhi. Yes. Annie Joyce, I checked, ma. It's keeping on moving. Advika Sanvi, yes. Srinidhi, Kanishka, Devisha. Okay, now. Now look at the board for the answers. Look at the board and take your pencil and do the correction if you have mistakes. Otherwise, put a tick. First 5 multiples. 1 15s are 15, 2 15s are 30, 3 15s are 45, 4 15s are, or 15 4s are. However, you learnt like that you do. 4 15s are 60, 5 15s are 75. I want only 5 multiples, so we'll stop. These are known as the multiples. If it is a factor, then I will write in with the division symbol. Like this, you have to show. If you simply write 15, 13, 45, I will give only half. 1 mark only will give for a 2-mark question. I will not give fully. You have to write like this, compulsory. Next. Express the number 25 as a sum of 3 odd prime numbers. You have to write something like this. 25 is equal to. I need 3 numbers. That too, I want only odd numbers. 13 is an odd number, odd prime number. 5 is the odd prime number. 13 plus 5, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 plus 7 is 25, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, so 25. 18 plus 7. So these are the 3 odd prime. Any number I can ask to represent as a odd prime. Okay? Understood this too? In the exam, I can ask multiples, factors, both. Question number 3. Yes. Find whether this number, find. No need to write the question, start doing. 48, 48 lakhs 90,184. This number is divisible by 6 or not? Divisible by 6 or not? Find it whether it is divisible by 6 or not. Use the test of divisibility by 2, then test of divisibility by 3 and find out. Full number is this, 48,90,184. This is the given number. Whether it is divisible by 6 or not. I can ask any question in the exam. This is a model only. In the examination, any test of divisibility by 2 or 3 or 5, anything. The other all easy. Only 11 only you need to practice. 11 and this 6, 9, remaining all easy. Yes. Okay. For this question, now you can show. Question number 3 alone, start showing me, then you do question number 4. Start showing, yes, is not divisible. Castle-da is correct. You can start doing the 4th sum Castle-da, very good. Others. Annie, Joy, Satyanarayan, taka show. This question, show me. This question, after showing this, you start doing this. Can start. Very slow what this class. Annie Joyce. Yes, Annie. I could say what directly is not divisible. Where are the conditions? You have to write that condition and all. Jolin Elma. Yes. Okay, Jolin Elma, correct, ma. Start doing. Next thing. Stop the video, Jolin, and start doing. Shri Kulali, this one. Okay. Shri Kulali, correct. Start doing the next thing. Jotam. Yes, Jotam, I couldn't see properly. Camera, you are not showing properly. Long view and all, how I will see? Even with the lens, I could not. Even if I have that thing, then also we could not. Pradeep, not divisible. Okay. Pradeep, start doing the next thing. Jotam, you start writing the next thing. Okay, start writing next. Srinidhi, yes. Yes, Srinidhi, start writing next. Ritula, next thing do. Time will run For that only I am telling. Laranya Shri, next thing do. Rajaraksha, okay, next thing do. Anushri, next. Advika, yes, next Advika. Safa, 3 digits, no, okay. Last 3 digits. What last 3 digits? Safa, wrong. Harshin Suhena. This one correct. Harshin showed this. Correct. Harshin, keep your video off. Others are doing no? Very good. You keep your video off. Harshin. Yeah. Will not listen. Keep your video on. Off. Casilda. Yes, Casilda. Correct. Once I say yes, I have seen, keep your video off. Yes. Ritula, correct. Jivisha. So where is the second problem? Da? I am showing. Yes, I can see that. I am showing. This one. This is okay. This one. Shweta. Okay, now whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. For that, first we need to see test of divisibility by 2 and 3 to satisfy 6. The last ending digit is an even number. Since the units place digit is even, yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay, next. Test of divisibility by 3 says sum of the digits. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 9, 21, 22, 30, 34. The sum of the digits is 34, which will not come in 3 table. So it is not divisible by 3. One number saying yes, one number saying no. So it is not divisible by 6. You have to write in words what I am telling. It is not divisible by 6. Next thing. Now, question number 4, this brackets 1. Step number 1, 27 divides 9 plus to copy this bracket alone to solve. 20 minus 8 is 12. Next step, very important, do this first. Only division. 3 9s are 27. 3 plus 12 is 15. This is the answer. Like this way to proceed stepwise. Brackets, then division, then addition, then getting the answer. Don't think that the same question is going to come in the question paper. No. These questions will not come in the question paper. These are revision only, just. These models, some other bracket questions, some other test of divisibility, you will be getting. Okay, that's all our portion. Test of divisibility will come, brackets questions will come, multiples, factors, both will come, odd prime, twin prime listings will come, and that's all. Factors, multiples, test of divisibility, that's all, total. Then fill in the blanks, that you go through the entire chapter. For fill in the blanks, anything I may ask. These and all will come. Any doubts? Type if you have any doubts. Put a tick mark if you are correct. Very, very good for those who showed properly today. Those who did not show anything, I have noted their names. Now I know their names nicely. While entering, I will reduce the mark sheet. Those who are showing in the class, full marks for them. Activity. Those who are not showing in the class, I will cut 3 marks. I will cut. Yes. Good. I know the names nicely. Okay. All questions correct. Okay. Good. Because continuously I am noticing who is showing, who is not showing. Those who don't show, definite cut is there in activity. Activity 20 marks. Those who show regularly by keeping your video on in the class will get 20 out of 20. Others will get 15. 14, like that only we'll give. Yes, yes, good, good. Now take a break, drink water. Be ready for the next class. Okay, Jivisha. I could see.
Time up.
Yes, thank you. Yes, yes, over. Just I'm checking.